files accessed.
The first tool you're going to need to install your new RAM is a Phillips screwdriver, and this will be used to open up your computer case. You will also need an anti-static strap, and this prevents static electricity damage to your computer. You will also need your new RAM and an anti-static bag to protect your RAM from any damage. Before you install any RAM to your computer, you should go to your local computer store and check what kind of RAM you need, or you could also log on to crucial.com. The first thing you would need to do to install your RAM is flip the computer on its side. Then you grab your Phillips screwdriver and take out the back screws. After you take the screws off, you need to take the side panel off. After you have removed the side panel off, you need to grab your anti-static strap and clip it to the side of the computer and strap it around your hand. Next, you need to grab your RAM and take it out of the anti-static bag. When you take it out, you need to make sure that the notches are in the right way that they go. You need to make sure you install your RAM securely onto your motherboard. The way you will know if you installed it right, there's tabs on your motherboard that will clip onto the notches on the side of the RAM. The way you take out your RAM is you unclip the tabs from the notches on the RAM. It has notches on both sides, and it also has a bottom notch. You have to make sure that your RAM is installed the right way or it won't go in.